Welcome everyone. It's a Doodah day in Doodah's kitchen. Today we're going to be doing lemon chicken. This is one of my son's favorite recipes for his birthday. He requests it all the time. Chicken. So come on in and let's make some lemon chicken.
Hello!
So you want to be sure and just clean off those little bits off the chicken that cleans up your breast. And then you want to cut your breast horizontally through the chicken breast this way. So you end up with thinner pieces that you can pound out. For this recipe, you're going to need about 3 to 4 lemons, the juice. So you want to go ahead and juice your lemons and have those ready before you start the recipe.
Lemon.
Depending on the size of your lemons, you'll get more or less juice, so you really have to sort of determine how much you get out of those lemons. Okay, let me get myself together. Just a little hiccup there. All right, so out of these 3 lemons, we actually got something. About 2.5 ounces of lemon juice. All right, so here we are. We've got our 2 chicken breasts that have been cut horizontally, and I just put them between saran wrap, plastic wrap. I use my little mallet on the side, and you do want to get these pretty thin.
That's called a beat, sister. Feel it.
Because it just makes a better chicken breast. And you'll find too that when you pound them out, actually the servings go further. And don't worry if they get some little tears in them, that's all right. All right, that is what you want them to look like. And actually what I do with this is I'll actually put a little bit of salt and pepper on these before I cook them. So I'll do a little bit of salt, just a tad, just enough to give it a little flavor, and a little bit of pepper on each of these. Just that, that's it. All right, and that's your pounded chicken. And do about 4 tablespoons of butter.
Butter?
Get that started. Light coating on it, and this is chicken that you really want to sort of shake off and get that light coating. Just put it in your pan. And we're going to turn it back on.
All right, crank it up.
Medium. You have to adjust your heat depending on what the chicken's doing. So you'll notice the good bubbles right now. It probably needed to be a little bit hotter before I put the chicken in the first time. So that's something you just have to work on judging. And this lemon chicken actually is just a take on chicken piccata, if you like that. I know my family just likes the ending to be more like a little heavier sauce than regular chicken piccata. I'm going to go ahead and just start dredging some more so that my next batch will be ready. And this one I'm just going to set over on the side and let it hang out while the other's cooking. And that's cooking nicely now. It's going. Things is that you can make the sauce two different ways. You can use this pan with the little brown bits in it that gives it a lot of flavor. That's what my family likes. Or you can do another sauce that's a cleaner sauce in another pan where you just add the butter and make the sauce in that pan. But I'm going to do it like my family likes it, and they like it with all the brown bits in it. That gives it a lot more flavor. See all these brown bits in here, which is actually that flour that's been cooking on the chicken, and that's what gives it the flavor. That's what my family loves. So we're going to start, and we're going to add our lemon juice, and we've got our 2 ounces of lemon juice. We're going to pour in, and ooh, that's some good tartness in there. And then we're going to add in about half a cup of chicken broth. And you just want to sort of, this is making your sauce. Just pour it in and keep scraping the bottom of your pan until you've got that nice, and you might have to adjust, oops, there you go. You might have to adjust how much broth you add depending on how many bits you have left in there. But you want it not a thick gravy, but where it makes this nice sauce. You're going to cook this down for a few minutes. I'll always go ahead and add some salt and pepper to this. And I can't tell you how much. You're just going to shake it around, depending on what you like. Just keep sort of stirring it, cooking it down, let all those flavors come together. And if you see that it's getting a little bit thick, you can go back and add either more lemon juice or more chicken broth. And if you want to just sort of take your spoon and sort of get an idea of what it's, yeah, that's it. That's very tart and very lemony, which is just what we love. That's our lemon chicken sauce. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plate it up.